This gentleman, of course, is Brent. He has the Instagram page, Vintage Honda. You can check out our previous video with the CRX Si. He's gracious enough to let us check these cars out. He has an amazing collection of Hondas. I can't believe that I even have the opportunity to come down here and check them out. So, super grateful. Probably one of the best days of my life.
So this is a 1998 Acura Integra Type R. For the model year, I think they made somewhere between 998 and 1,002 of these for that year.
Okay.
They originally came to America in 1997. I think they made 320 examples for the American market that year. 98, right around 1,000. They didn't make any for 1999. And then for 2000 and 2001, they came out with black and Phoenix yellow.
Okay. Yeah.
So the only 2 years these came in Champ White was 97 and 98. And that's what this car is a 1998, which I bought out of Florida a couple of years back. I think this car has 88,000 miles on it now.
Okay.
Pretty much.
Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful car.
Thank you. Unmodified, so 195 horsepower, 1.8 liter VTEC engine, limited slip.
Okay.
Yeah, pretty much as it came from the factory, although it does have a little bit of a storied history. It was raced up in Massachusetts for a number of years and eventually was put back to stock. The car made its way down to Texas, and there was an owner down there that owned it for 5, 6, 7, 8 years or so. And he decided to part with the car, put it on Bring a Trailer, and the car sold, I believe, for around $51,000 plus the buyer's fee. And that night, the car was wrecked on the infamous One Last Ride. So
that's insane.
Yeah, so the car was subsequently repaired, still clean title, and I picked it up after that.
Awesome.
I don't mind having a car that's definitely a driver that I can enjoy.
Absolutely.
And I love a car with a story too, so that's kind of my thing. So again, 1.8 liter. 195 horsepower, original engine, block, limited slip. Yeah, I think the fenders were actually a little bit damaged in the accident as well, because these are reproduction VIN tags that somebody at some point did put on the car.
All right.
Hood was also replaced, so there was a fair amount of damage to the car, although structurally it was intact. So, a lot of these cars over the year were stolen, raced, or wrecked, so very few actually have survived all this time without some kind of a storied history to it.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, appreciate it.
Absolutely.
All right, let's get in here and take it for a spin. Let's hit it. Another dream car, an Acura Integra Type R. Can't believe I'm getting to drive one of these either. So that's the CRX I just drove. Now I have the opportunity to drive a Type R. Thanks to Brent, he is the man. Dreams are being made today. Transmission feels amazing. Just from jumping in this initially, I can already tell how special this car is. Honda makes a hell of a transmission. The feeling of it is just so direct and just feels so satisfying. love these old Hondas. Front-wheel drive car ever made right here. And I get to drive it. Can't believe it. Truly impressive. Everybody, we're taking the Type R back. Thank you for watching my first experience in a Type R. I can't believe it. I have a smile on my face. The happiest man in the world right now. Can't say anything else. So, thanks for tuning in. We'll hit you guys back next time.